So buying a boat, Frank, what was your biggest reason buying a boat?
Just to give the family something to do, you know, be able to take them out on the water. My son, he expressed interest in some fishing, so I thought, you know, let me get a boat. I kill a couple birds with one stone, you know. I have a bunch of friends that have boats, and they like the Grass Island, Burnt Shift Cove, so it's nice to have friends with a boat, but after a while, you probably should get your own boat. Just the room in this thing, that's what kind of sold me on a pontoon to begin with, and you're able to walk around, a lot of friends in here, and you're not on top of each other. It seems like their customer service, their you know, quality, it's just was here, and I looked at them all. Everybody was said they would do what they did, and it was done, and you know, you had a lot of boats to look at. So as far as options and sizes. And then this, I mean, this being power, it's super simple to pop open. You know, I saw the demo of it, so. And I like the, there's a cutoff switch, so you know, sometimes you're thinking, is it all the way down? But the actual cutoff switch kills it.
Yep.
So you know where you're at. So that was a nice feature.
Yeah, it's really easy to deploy too. So it's just a big zipper.
Yeah.
Zipper off the back, take the boot, throw that under the seat, and then just raise it up. But what I like about the automatic biminis is when you have this seat, which everybody likes to buy, and you lounge it out that way, or you lay it down flat, so it'll lay down flat completely. When you open this up, you can stop it. So if someone's taking a nap there and you're like at Burnt Ship Cove, anchored out, just arc it over them.
So they got shade.
And then it has, when you're running, they're speed tested. So the boat is gonna cruise around the upper 30s. On this boat, 22 footer with a 150. When you open it up, you'll just put these legs in, and they're speed rated for going as fast as the boat goes. You're just gonna lock them into these ports. What most people buy the Barlettas for, your warranty. Warranty's kind of second to none in this industry. When you bought, you had a 3-year warranty on your Merc, and then you have a 10-year warranty on this flooring all the way up through your electronics. And then what Barletta does, and all that's for 10 years. And then what Barletta also does is a lifetime on your deck and your pontoons. So you're pretty much covered for 10 years and 3 years with the motor, which you can always buy back into that program. So you can always keep this boat under warranty, and you know, you have my cell, you can always call me whenever.
Yeah, that was nice. A couple of times I had questions. You were right there on the cell actually. So I don't know how many other salesmen give out their cell phones like that, but
not
nice.
Many.
Yeah, it's nice to have that.